Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Almeida. I'm from A2 class 2022. Now I will explain about detail and expanded clause by clause analysis of the clever fox and greedy wolf using systematic functional linguistic or SFL. Each clause is analyzed for its functional themes, topical, interpersonal, and textual, as well as its role in advancing the narrative and conveying the moral lesson. In this case, Clausa is once upon a time in a large forest, a clever fox and a greedy wolf lived near each other. Topical theme: a clever fox and a greedy wolf introduced two main characters of the story by placing them as the topical focus. The narrative emphasized their roles as the center figure of the story. Textual theme: once upon a time in a large, set the scene and provide temporal and spatial context. This classic storytelling process signals the beginning of the fictional tale and immerses readers into the setting. Interpersonal theme: non-explicit present and function in the story stabilizes the background and create an expectation in interaction between the two characters. Second clause is one day the fox found a juicy chicken caught in the trap, but he couldn't get it out. Topical theme is the fox continue to focus on one of the main character every time the narrative by showing his discovery and problem. Textual theme is one day indicates a specific event in time that sets the plot in motion. And interpersonal theme is but introduce contrast by juxtaposing the fox discovery of the chicken with his inability to retrieve it. Function in the story build tension by presenting an opportunity, the chicken, and a conflict, the threat. This set the stage for the wolf entry into the narrative. The third clause is the wolf approach and said, "Let me help, and we can share it." Topical theme is the wolf. Shift the narrative focus to the wolf, introducing him as an active participant in the story. Textual theme: non-explicitly present. Interpersonal theme: let me help, and we can share it. Use dialogue to reveal the wolf intention. The interpersonal theme then demonstrate the wolf theme to stabilize collaboration, although it is driven by selfish motive. And the function in the story introduce the wolf, cunning nature, and set off the dynamic between the fox and the wolf, hinting at future conflict. Fourth is the fox, knowing the wolf greedy nature, agree but with a plan in mind. Topical theme is the fox, re-establish the fox as the central actor, highlighting his calculated decision to achieve the wolf over. Textual theme is but provide contrast between the fox applying agreement and his hidden intention. And interpersonal theme is knowing the wolf greedy nature, indicate the fox awareness and intelligence, giving readers insight into his perspective. Function in the story foreshadows the fox clipper strategy and build anticipation for the outcome of the interaction. Fifth, the wolf used his strong teeth to tear the trap open and free the chicken. Topical theme is the wolf, focus on the wolf action, showcasing his physical strength and his role in addressing the immediate problem, freeing the chicken. And textual theme: non-explicit present. Interpersonal theme: non-explicit present. And the function in the story resolve the physical conflict, the trap chicken, while subtly setting up the moral conflict with versus cunning. Six, as soon as it was out, the wolf plunged, trying to devour it all. Topical theme is the wolf, retain focus on the wolf, emphasizing his greedy and impulsive behavior. Textual theme: as soon as it was out, stabilizes a temporal sequence linking the release of the chicken to the wolf immediate reaction. Interpersonal theme: no explicitly present. And the function in the story is highlight the wolf greed, contrasting it with the fox, calculate pattern. This serves as a turning point in the narrative. And the second, but the fox quick as ever yanked the chicken away and left it into a small burrow too narrow for the wolf to enter. Topical theme is the fox, reposition the fox as the dominant actor, showcasing his intelligence and agility. Textual theme is but introduce a self contrast between the wolf expectation and the fox clever counteraction. Interpersonal theme is quick as ever, adds an affiliative comment emphasizing the Fox defining characters, climax, and the function in the story resolve the immediate tension with the fox outsmarting the wolf and securing the chicken. This reinforces the theme of intelligence trumping over greed. The fox smile, knowing that greedy always leads to loss. Typical theme is the fox, highlights the fox charm and satisfaction, shifting focus to the moral insight gained from the experience. Textual theme is non-exploitative present. Interpersonal theme, knowing the greed always leads to loss, provide a reflection, comment, articulating the lesson learned from the event. Function in the story explicitly states the moral of the story, tying the event to their broader implication. And the last, the lesson greed often backfire. Typical theme is greed, emphasize the central theme of the story, making it the focal point of the conclusion. Interpersonal theme, the lesson engage the reader by posing a rhetorical question, encouraging reflection on the narrative. Textual theme is non-explicitly present. Function in the story concludes the story with the sanctioned moral statement, reinforcing the key message in the memorable way. Summary of the themes and narrative technique. Topical themes, the characters, fox and wolf consistently dominate the topical theme, ensure a clear focus on their action and personalities. And the second, the action of the fox and wolf are juxtaposed to highlight the moral conflict between greed and cunning. Textual theme, temporal makers, once upon a time, one day, as soon as it was odd and contrastive conjunction, but while structure the narrative and main reader engagement. And textual theme are sparse but effectively used to guide the flow of event. Interpersonal themes, dialogue, and reflective statement let me help, knowing that greedy always leads to low script and interactive tone, drawing readers into the story, moral, emotion, and dimension. This extended analysis illustrates how the text employ linguistic element to the level of complying. I think enough my explanation about my analysis of the narrative text. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.